Hello students, in this video we are going to solve 27 power x minus 3 power x. This is equals to square root of 12 and here we will find out the value of x and x belongs to real number. Here this is very nice exponential equation. In left hand side we have exponential form and in right hand side we have radical form. So look carefully, this 27 and here this 3. We know that 27 is same as 3 power 3. So this 27 is replaced by 3 power 3 bracket power x minus 3 power x, and this is equals to square root of 12. Now if we apply base and exponent rule, that is we know that a power m bracket power n, this is equals to a power n bracket power m. This m and this n are interchanged. So this 3 and this x is interchanged, then you will get 3 power x bracket power 3 minus 3 power x, and this is equals to square root of 12. Here we will apply my favorite method, that is substitution. So if we substitute 3 power x, this is equals to t, then t power 3 minus t, and this is equals to square root of 12. Now look carefully, in right hand side we have square root and we will eliminate this square root, so just take square both side. So in left hand side here is square and in right hand side here is square. Then in left hand side we will apply a minus b whole square, and we know that a minus b whole square is a square minus 2 times ab and plus b square. If we apply this rule here, then t power 3 bracket power 2 minus 2 times a, that is t power 3, and b, that is t, and plus b square, it means t square, and this is equals to this square root is cancelled out by this square, then here 12. Now here if we apply this rule, a power m bracket power n, this is equals to a power m into n. If we apply this rule here, then this 3 and this 2 is multiplied, then we get t power 6 minus t power 3 is multiplied by t, then we get t power 4. Here 2 times t power 4 plus t square, and this 12 if we take in left hand side, then this is minus 12 and this is equals to 0. Here t power 6 minus 2 times t power 4 and plus t square minus 12 plus t square minus 12, this is equals to 0. Now look carefully, here highest power is 6 and this power is 4 and this power is 2. We know that all the powers are divisible by 2. So we will apply again substitution method. If we substitute t square, this is equals to m. Then value of t power 4 is m square and value of t power 6 is m power 3. Now this t power 6 is replaced by m power 3 minus 2 times t power 4 is replaced by m power 2 plus t square is replaced by m minus 12, and this is equals to 0. Now look carefully, this is an cubic equation and we know that how to solve cubic equation. First we will find out 1 0 of this cubic equation. Here if we substitute m is equals to 3, then 3 power 3 minus 2 times 3 power 2 plus 3 minus 12. 3 power 3, that is 27, minus 3 power 2, that is 9. 9 times 2 is 18 plus 3 minus 12. 27 plus 3 is 30 minus 18 minus 12, that is 30. So 30 minus 30, that is 0. It means m is equals to 3 is a solution of this cubic equation. So it means if this x is this m is equals to 3 is a solution of this cubic equation, it means m minus 3 is a factor, or factor means exact divisor. Now we can say m minus 3 is exact divisor of this cubic. Now here cubic equation is m power 3 minus 2 times m power 2 plus m minus 12 plus m minus 12, and divisor is m minus 3, m minus 3. Now here if we take m power 2, this m power 2 is multiplied by m, then here m power 3, m power 2 is multiplied by minus 3, then we get minus 3m square. Then here this is minus and this plus. This expression is cancelled out because here m cube is positive and this m cube is negative. And minus 2 times m square and this is plus 3 times m square. It means this is m square plus m minus 12. Here if we take m and this m is multiplied by m, then we get m square. And this m is multiplied by minus 3, then we get minus 3 times m minus plus. And this expression is cancelled out, then m, and this is plus 3m. So we have here plus 4m minus 12. If we take 4, then 4 is multiplied by this m minus 3, then we get 4m minus 12. Here minus and here this is plus. This and this expression is cancelled out. So factor of this cubic is m minus 3 is multiplied by m square plus m plus 4, and this is equals to 0. Here we have factor of this cubic polynomial is first one is a linear factor and second this is a quadratic factor. Now we will apply this rule. If a into b this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule here, let's suppose this m minus 3 is a and m square plus m plus 4 is b. So here a times b is equals to 0. It means either a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. So here we can say m minus 3 this is equals to 0 and m square plus m plus 4 this is equals to 0. M square plus m plus 4 this is equals to 0. Here value of m is 3. This m is t square. So m is replaced by t square, this is equals to 3, and t is 3 power x. So 3 power x bracket power 2 and this is equals to 3. Here we will apply again this rule, a power m bracket power n, this is equals to a power m times n. If we apply this rule here, then we can say 3 power x bracket power 2. It means this x and this 2 is multiplied, then we get 2 times x and this is equals to 3. Let's suppose here power is 1. Now if we apply this rule, if a power m this is equals to a power n, this implies m is equals to n. If we apply this rule here, then we can say this base and this base is same, so it means 2x this is equals to 1. Now if we divide both sides 2, then you will get x is equals to 1 over 2. Now here m square plus m plus 4 this is equals to 0. M square plus m plus 4 this is equals to 0. First we will check discriminant of this quadratic equation because we will talk about only real solutions. So value of a is 1 and value of b is 1 and value of c is 4, and we know that discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Value of b is 1 square minus 4 times a, that is 1, and c is 4. Then 1 square is 1, 4 times 4 that is minus 16, and this is minus 15. It means discriminant is less than 0. So here m does not belongs to real number. It means our real solution is only x is equals to 1 over 2.